Oh. Golly. Oh, got one. Guys, I got one. Yes, sir. Ooh. Look at that. Another little small one. Boom. Another little one. I'm gonna throw him back though. He's not quite big enough to eat. I'm gonna go ahead and set it. Oh, there we got one, boys. We got one. I don't know what it is, but we got one. I need to tighten up my drag on here too. Oh, what is that? Oh, we got a dang catfish. That's a big old bullhead. We got a bullhead. Oh, he swallowed it. Got a dang bullhead. He swallowed it. Wow. Got it. Got it out. Got the hook out. Don't think I've ever caught a catfish out of here. Bullhead at that. We're gonna throw this guy back. Oh, got him. Oh, what is that? It's a bluegill. Guys, I got a bluegill. Bluegill! He swallowed my dang hook, but it's a dang bluegill.